Hi everybody, this is Jana here, welcome back. So today we're going to make a very nice dish using the faux chicken that we made last week. And it's a very simple one, and it's a Mexican dish called the tinga. It is beyond this world amazing, and it's very versatile because you make these basic stew, or it can be a little bit drier if you prefer, and then you can put it in a whole lot of different things. And I'm going to show you following. But before, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do, don't you? Please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video. And let's go! So for this dish, we're going to use only a few ingredients. And we start with some garlic. Some tomato paste. This is, by the way, my version of chickenless. Tinga. There are a few recipes, pretty much 1,000 ways of making it probably, and this happens to be my take on it. Some oregano. Now you can add some cumin, salt, some vegetable bouillon, chipotle. This is smoked hot peppers, and it depends on how strong they are, so you check in the on can how hot they are. Just to be on the safe side, I'm adding just one because a lot of other people are gonna eat that too. But if it was just for me, I was gonna put the whole can probably. Now we add the tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, some onions, and we blend it. Alright, now we're going to cook it with the chicken. So, let's go. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. This is my oregano scented oil. And to that, we're going to add some red onion and crushed garlic. Stir it for 1 minute. If you like your onions with a little bit of a bite. Otherwise, you can cook it a little bit longer. And when the onions have sweat and became almost translucent, you can add the chicken. You stir it because now we're looking to sear the chickenless chicken. Because remember what I told you guys about the seitan, that when you cook with seitan, you need to sear the gluten taste inside of it. Because if you mix it with a sauce, with a hot sauce, hot as in temperature, the gluten taste will leak out to the high temperature, and it's going to leak to the sauce, and then the sauce is going to taste like gluten, and we don't want that. So I highly recommend you guys to, every time you make a stew or something braised using a seitan based mock meat, you do this step that I'm doing now. I see that it's cooked through. You just add your marinade. A lot of hissing. And cook it on medium-high for 5-6 minutes. Not more than that, because if you cook it a little bit more than 5 or 6 minutes, it can be actually even less, I would say 4 or 5 minutes. What happens is that the mock meat is going to get too soft, it's going to lose its bite, so I don't like that so much. You can cover if you want. And if you like your tinga to be a little bit more soupy, a little bit more on the stew side, you can add a little bit more water or vegetable broth. It'll work too. And but if you want it a little bit dry, so you put it on your tacos or your new burritos or in your fajitas, it can be a little bit drier. And but that's up to you. All right, our tinging, our chicken tinga is ready, and Lord have mercy, this looks so nice, guys. Honestly, I wish you were here to smell it, and I'm salivating. You can tell that, can't you? Because it looks so nice. And here we have our tinga ready, and this is amazing. Like I was saying before, you can have it with some nice tortillas, homemade tortillas or store-bought tortillas, and with some refried beans and some vegan cheese and some onions or avocados or green salsa, whatever, salsa verde, or whatever you want, because this is heaven on earth. I love it. The smell in this house is amazing. Or you can have it like I am going to have now with some rice. But before, I'm going to garnish it with my homemade vegan cheese, which I have made with the cashews. I have the recipe. I'm going to link it down below, as well as here on the cards. And some cilantro, because this dish is so pretty, isn't it? So it deserves a little bit more decoration. And here we have it. I am so proud of myself. Do you remember the last video where I made the chickenless chicken? I keep saying to you guys, vegan food is a little bit of science, a little bit of magic, and a lot of love from us, and this couldn't be different. So let's now add this delicious tinga to the rice, because that's my favorite way of having it, actually. Perhaps with also some refried beans, but not now. And you can also add a little bit of cilantro to your plate. And now we're going to try this, because of course this house smells like heaven, Mexican heaven. So let's go. Oh my God. Let me get some of the chicken as well. Come with me. Oh my God, this is so good. Ah, this is so good. Ay, ay, ay. Amazing. Delicioso. I love it. Please make it. And like, seriously, this is so versatile. Like I said, you can use it in a whole lot of different dishes. And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. I have certainly did, because I love Mexican food, as you know. Don't forget to share this video with your friends if you liked it. And if you don't like this video, share it with your enemies. The important thing is to share. And follow me on my social media. It's going to be linked down below. And check my Patreon. It's very cool, very nice of you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Keep it coming so I can keep creating contents for you. And visit my Amazon shop so you know all the gadgets and all the pots and pans that I'm using here. And you can have it too. So I see you next time. Bye bye.